Hi guys, so I'm gonna teach you how to pass the trolley sa Pining Tower. I'm gonna show you how to pass it. When you join trolley sa Pining Tower, you flip your like phone, really or not. So if you join the group, you can teleport there, and then I'm gonna show you how to pass it. When you join troll sa Pining Tower, you flip your like phone, really or not. So if you join the group, you can teleport there, and then I'll be here because that, if you don't know how to wall hop, I will teach you in the next video I do. So here it is. Right here, the wall hop thing is you can walk like that, and then you turn off your Wi-Fi. Just like turn off your Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna teach you how. Wait, they're jumping. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Right there, right there, right there, right there. And then you turn on your Wi-Fi again. There goes. See that? Guys, you see that? And then when it's on again, look at my Wi-Fi. Look at my Wi-Fi. There go, it's on again. And here it is. Look at them doing. So that's how you pass here. And then you want to pass in the other one. So I'm gonna pass there. So I'm gonna go there. And this says, please do that you or me. That one. And then I will do that. There you go. You can pass. If there's no one, you can. If you don't know how to wall hop, here it is. I don't wanna do the next video. Right here, you gotta go wipe, wall flick. That's wall flick. And now you go here. And now if somebody do this to you, like somebody do this to you, and then you fall, you can just like